We did a beginning pony class, so we started with basic footwork and then showed the moves. I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how far we got in the class, and then I'll break it down for you. We're going to do a basic push, push, pull, pull, and a side-by-side rotation back out to basic. And then we'll stop right there, and I'll explain the footwork. Are you ready, John? Man's going to take the lady's hand with his hands like so. Lady's going to do fingertip to fingertip, and we're going to go and push and push, pull and pull, push and push, pull and pull, keeping the hand nice and low and at the lady's waist level. Again, push and push, pull and pull, push and push, pull and pull. And then we go, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and left side 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and right 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and out. And that's pretty much where we got. We showed them other moves they could do with that. I'm going to dismiss John and thank him for helping, and I'll talk about the footwork real briefly. Footwork was using a down and up beat. The down beat is your rhythm, or 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So we're going with our and foot being the ball of the foot. We're going to go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then we taught them how to turn or slide the foot, and 1, 2, 3, 4, switch, 1, 2, 3, 4, switch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and out and in and in. All that is and downbeat, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, or it can be counted through 8s, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8, using an and to shift the weight momentarily down to your weighted foot again. I do teach foot changes for directionals. When you're doing a lot of turns to the left, it's better to have the weight on the left foot. And when you're doing a lot of turns to the right, it's better if you can change the weight over to the right foot. I have a pony